A lot of you guys were asking for more details about the SpaceX IPO. I wanted to share what we know so far. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. I hope that what we talk about today can be of value for you. And if you enjoy it, all we literally ask you to do is drop a thumbs up and subscribe. And I would love to do our part in keeping you up to date. So SpaceX IPO filing. What should you know? So SpaceX has officially filed for its long-awaited IPO, setting for what could be one of the most significant debuts ever. The company plans to list under the Nasdaq ticker SPCX, with a potential debuted expectation right around June 12th, 2026. So just a few weeks from today. The filing follows a massive valuation milestone. Earlier in 2026, SpaceX reached an estimated $1.25 trillion valuation after merging with xAI. I want to show you this very quickly. And again, to each their own. Anyone can value a company at whatever they expect it to be. Right now, even with the insane moves up of Tesla being overvalued, it currently trades at 1.6 trillion, right? We are now saying that this merger of SpaceX and xAI is now going to be worth an estimated 1.25 trillion. Again, just as comparison. If the IPO proceeds as expected, Elon Musk could simultaneously lead $2 trillion public companies alongside Tesla. The offering is backed by major Wall Street firms, including Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citigroup, and indicating strong institutional demand ahead of pricing. There is no question that SpaceX is one of the most hyped up IPOs that has been talked about recently. So one thing that you can look up yourself is, especially with these kinds of like long awaited IPOs, the first day, the first few weeks even, there could be so much excitement that it would make sense possibly to trade SpaceX. But then the question is very different of, is it a good investment, especially at the price that, by the time that they open, what are they going to be trading at? What's the valuation going to be? Could it already hit a $2 trillion valuation? We all know that markets are trading at an incredibly irrational rate. And as long as everything goes according to plan, they can still choose to. But if markets begin to correct, then remember, it's the most speculative stocks and the most speculative valuations that will likely correct. There's a common statistic where on IPO day, statistically speaking, the average IPO is up like 6 or 12%. And then if you follow up with that same stock on average 90 days later, on average, it is actually down from its IPO price. So big swings in prices are to be expected. When is the SpaceX IPO? The primary catalyst behind the momentum is the official SEC filing, which confirms that SpaceX transition to public markets and signals that the start of its IPO is set to go live June 12th. Again, so just a few weeks from now. So what should we know? The bull case rests on SpaceX's unique positioning. Unlike traditional aerospace firms, the company operates across interconnected ecosystems that benefit from long-term secular growth. Its reusable rocket technology, large-scale satellites, and integration with AI and xAI give it exposure to a combined 28.5 trillion addressable market. Management emphasizes that that identifying $1 trillion company opportunities is a repeatable part of the business model, not one-off outcome. The bear case is usually important to consider. Despite its scale and influence, SpaceX remains heavily loss-making in several core areas. The AI division is consuming billions of dollars in infrastructure and research spending, while the space segment continues to operate with high capital intensity and ongoing losses. Investors entering the IPO are effectively pricing in years of future execution at an already historic valuation. So that is the biggest takeaway for me. I am okay with trading SpaceX. I most likely will as a trader. I can already tell that with the hype that, rightfully so, it's Elon Musk. He always has a lot of attention to him and any of his companies. It's going to be incredibly hyped up. I cannot see myself ever justifying that price. And I'm okay, right? I'm okay with trading it. I do not care to invest in this company as that bear case. We have a company, and again, I wanted to show you, you guys can look up their S1 filing officially, right? SpaceX is valued at nearly $2 trillion and it's not even profitable. It produces $8.7 billion in revenue and $4.9 billion in losses. I do want to note that part of its loss is because of its acquisition that is part of XAI. Just for context, AMD is worth $800 billion, and that's with AMD's current rally. Posted $34 billion in revenue and $4.3 billion in profit. And remember, AMD isn't technically even that cheap of a company, but that company itself is worth $800 billion during one of these AI revolutions, right? Like the most hyped up time. Even AMD that produces $4.3 billion in profit is only worth 800. I want you to, obviously they're two very different companies. SpaceX is going to be a merger of SpaceX and XAI. If you really believe in the profitability behind that, all power to you. I'm no one to tell you that you shouldn't. Obviously, it's still speculative, right? This isn't my post, but then they say, no, I'm not buying SpaceX. That's fine, right? To each their own. You could see the loss that was already taken for Q1 of 2026, and that's 4.2 billion. Again, just not a good look. 2025, 4.9 billion. So again, this is not my post. This is just something that I thought was interesting to share. You are the exit liquidity. You are about to be offered the most expensive IPO in modern history. SpaceX's S1 just dropped the headline numbers. 2025 revenue, 18.7 billion. 2025 net loss, 4.9. Q1 2026, still losing money. Reported IPO valuation is roughly 90 times sales. For context, the previous record IPO, Saudi Aramco, listed at 6 times sales. SpaceX is now 15 times that multiple with a net loss attached to it. I think it's important to take that into consideration, that there is nothing wrong, that if you truly do believe in this company, especially because Elon Musk is running it, and that's the big thing here, is that there's always this like positive optimism behind Elon Musk running any of his companies. And I get it. In my opinion, he is one of the greatest minds of our generation. There is a lot of hype that follows with him. And if any company can support irrational valuations, it's his. I mean, let's look at Tesla as an example. It's no longer a growing company when it comes down to revenue, right? If we jump on into Investing Pro, and I quickly pull it up for you guys, we've brought this up over and over again, but investors simply do not care because there's optimism that the Optimus robot and the robo-taxi is going to be a huge hit, even though he's been talking about it for years and we still haven't seen anything behind it. If you actually look at the revenue for Tesla, for the past 2 to 3 years, it's been plateauing. If anything, it's almost kind of lost in revenue, right? Especially after it lost its government subsidies, right? It's been trading flat. Yet, the stock is trading nearly at all-time highs at a $1.6 trillion market cap. So again, irrational valuations always tend to follow Elon because there's so much hope in what he can do. I get that. You have every right to invest in speculative assets if that's what your heart desires. I wanted to share both the bull case and the bear case for one of the most hyped up IPOs that we've ever seen, and for you to understand the distinct difference between value and irrational value, that there is no question that it could make sense to trade SpaceX as it's going to have a lot of momentum, a lot of hype, and I believe that it can pump for the first week to 2 weeks of its IPO. But to think that it's going to sustain itself, especially if market conditions then become less favorable, right? That is the biggest factor that none of us can control nor predict. If all of a sudden markets begin to correct, I do not see how anyone would see SpaceX, a non-necessary company, truly, that's already yielding such a loss, to be growing during such uncertain times. If those conditions begin to present themselves. If irrational markets continue to push higher, then irrational valuations are also supported. Again, I think it's important to note the good and the bad right before a major event is about to happen. And I hope that we did our part in sharing both sides. Yes, SpaceX is going to have the largest IPO in history. And yes, SpaceX still loses billions of dollars every single year. So we'll see how this ages. Will this be a huge hit with its IPO price, and will it only continue to skyrocket? Or will it be the traditional pump, sharp correction, and then eventually needs to catch up, right? Later down the road. So very excited to follow up. Again, June 12th is going to be the date for that. And I'll make sure that I do my part in keeping you guys up to date as we get closer to its IPO day. You guys feel free to share your thoughts down in the comment section. And again, friendly reminder, you have a few days left for our Memorial Day sale. It's 50% off LPP. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. And again, you will get to watch me trade live every single day. So again, this 50% off sale is the biggest discount that I will ever offer. And it's, like I said, a one-time payment for lifetime access. We have members that signed up back in 2018 that still have access to LPP and our daily live trading sessions today. I appreciate you guys' time. Hope that we're in a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team, and happy Sunday.